Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about shapes having faces, edges and vertices. First of all, we will discuss about its faces. What do you mean by faces? Surface. Like this is a shape, its surface. This is a surface. These are known as faces. Second one is, what do you mean by edges? Edges where two faces meet. Like these are faces. ये दो फेसेस कहाँ पे मीट कर रहे हैं? यहाँ पे इस एज पे मीट कर रहे हैं. दिस इज एन एज. ये एक फेस है, ये एक फेस है. ये कहाँ पे मीट कर रहा है? यहाँ पे मीट कर रहा है. क्लियर? सो दीज आर edges where two faces meet. Next one is vertices where two edges meet. Now these are edges. This is first edge, this is second edge and this one is third edge. ये जो edge जहां पे आके मीट करते हैं उनको क्या बोला जाता है? वर्टेक्स या फिर vertices. Same for this. Corners. Clear? जहां पे सारे edges मीट करते हैं. Now, our first shape is this cuboid. This is in cuboid shape. Here, we have to find its faces. Now, this is first face. This one is second face. This one is third face. This one is fourth face. Fifth face is this and sixth face is this. So, it is a shape of cuboid having rectangular faces, like rectangular shape. This card is in rectangular shape. Clear? Now we will discuss about its edges. How many edges are there in cuboid? There are 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 edges like this and ऊपर 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ऊपर. यहाँ पे भी सेम दूसरी साइड पे 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4. How many edges? 12. There are 12 edges. Now we will discuss about its vertex. या फिर vertices. Corners 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many corners are there? There are 4 plus 4, 8 corners. So this is the shape of cuboid. Same as cube. Now, its all faces are 6, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? Next, fifth face is upper face and sixth face is lower face. Lower face. So, how many faces are there? There are also 6 faces. This is same as rectangular box, that is a cuboid. How many edges are there? Same number of edges are there also. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same as it is. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 edges. How many vertices? यहाँ पे vertex 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are also 8 vertex or vertices. But you will notice that here the shape of face is in rectangular shape, but here you can see this is in a square shape. This is the major difference between a cuboid or a cube. Now next figure is, we will discuss about its sphere. Is also in the shape of sphere. Now, how many faces are there? You can see there is only one face which is curved face. Clear? Now, what do you mean by curved or flat face? Like this is a curve. Clear? This is in curved shape. And what is this? This is a flat. Clear? This is a flat and this one is a curved surface. And you can say in a sphere there is only one curved face. Is there any edge? Edges क्या होती हैं? जहां पे दो फेसेस मीट करते हैं. यहाँ पे तो सिर्फ एक ही फेस है, तो देयर इज नो एनी एज। क्या यहाँ पे कोई वर्टेक्स है, कोई यहाँ पे कोई कॉर्नर पॉइंट है? नेवर, यहाँ पे कोई कॉर्नर है ही नहीं, तो देयर इज नो वर्टेक्स, दैट इज जीरो वर्टेक्स। नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट अ कोन। दिस इज द शेप ऑफ कोन, और इसकी एग्जांपल्स क्या हो सकती हैं? आइसक्रीम कोन, नेक्स्ट वन इज birthday cap, and many more other things. Now, how many faces are there? This is a curved face. Second one is, this is a face also. Flat face. Second, so there are two faces in a cone. How many edges are there? जहां पे दो faces meet करते हैं, this is first face and this one is the second face. तो ये meet कहां पे करते हैं? यहाँ पे। तो दिस इज अ एज, बट ये किसकी शेप में? दैट इज अ कर्व्ड एज। दिस इज अ कर्व्ड एज। हाउ मेनी वर्टेक्सेस आर देयर? देयर इज ओनली वन वर्टेक्स। नाउ our next shape is cylindrical shape. So we will discuss about its faces. How many faces are there? This one is a flat face. This one is also a face. Clear? And this one is also a face. This one is flat and this one is flat. There are two flat faces. And but one is, this one is a curved face. Clear? Next one is edges. Where two faces meet, this is first face and this one is second face. Meet, so this is a edge, one edge. Same for this, this is a second edge. Clear? Now, is there any vertex? Vertex है, यहाँ पे कोई corner point है? नहीं, there is no any vertex. Clear? Thank you.